As we enter 2025, home decor trends are evolving to reflect a blend of functionality, sophistication, and aesthetic appeal. Whether you're planning a full home overhaul or just looking for a few minor updates, these trends will inspire you to create a modern and welcoming living space. With a greater focus on comfort and environmental awareness, interior design now prioritizes choices that are not only beautiful, but also responsible. In a world that's constantly changing, your home is a place to achieve a balance between practicality and timeless beauty. Sustainable and eco-friendly materials. Sustainability continues to be a major focus in home decor. By 2025, you will increasingly see furniture and decor elements made from recycled, reclaimed, and sustainably sourced materials. Bamboo, cork, and recycled metals are all popular choices for everything from flooring to decorative accents. As more consumers become aware of the importance of being environmentally conscious, this trend encouraged us to make smarter, more eco-friendly choices when decorating our homes. Using natural and renewable materials not only creates a unique and eye-catching look, but also helps reduce our negative impact on the planet, making your home not only a beautiful place, but also a place that is conscious about sustainability. This year, natural color palettes are the main choice in home decor. Warm earthy colors such as terracotta, olive green, and sandy beige will dominate our spaces. These colors not only create a calming atmosphere, but also provide a sense of closeness to nature, making your home feel like a peaceful retreat. By integrating these colors into your interior design, you can create a warmer and more welcoming impression. Every corner of your home will feel calmer and more harmonious, making it the perfect place to relax and unwind after a long day. These natural colors are also very easy to mix and match with other natural materials, such as wood, stone, and linen, creating a space that is not only aesthetic, but also calming and full of natural impressions. So, if you want to create a more refreshing and calming atmosphere in your home, there's no harm in considering this earthy tone color trend. Minimalism is still a popular trend, but with a different twist in 2025. The concept of simplicity and cleanliness remains at the core, but this time around, the focus is on adding personality to the minimalist aesthetic. This is a way to make your space look more interesting, without sacrificing functionality or comfort. Try incorporating unique textures like natural fabrics or wavy surfaces to add depth to a simple design. Opt for a few statement pieces, like a bold piece of art or a piece of furniture with an unusual design that can become the focal point of your space. With this approach, your minimalist space will not only look neat and organized, but will also feel more alive and full of character. Keeping the space free of clutter, while adding creative touches, keeps it personal and interesting. So if you love clean, functional design, but want to add a little more style, now is the perfect time to give your space a minimalist twist that's full of personality. Smart home integration. Smart technology continues to influence home decor trends, and by 2025, the integration of smart devices into home design will be even more seamless. Today, smart homes offer more than just convenience, they also maintain an elegant style. From voice-controlled lighting to smart thermostats that automatically regulate temperature, technology is making our homes more efficient and enjoyable without sacrificing aesthetics. These devices are designed to blend in with interior design, whether through minimalist, discreet designs or elements that add a modern touch to a room. With the ability to control various home features with just a voice command or an app, you can create a space that is more practical, energy efficient, and of course, smarter. So, in 2025, make your home smarter by integrating smart technology that makes your life easier while also beautifying your space. Multifunctional spaces. With the need for more versatile spaces, multifunctional spaces are now an essential part of home design. In 2025, furniture that serves two or more functions will become increasingly popular, helping you maximize every inch of space in your home. Look for furniture that can accommodate multiple needs, such as a sofa that can be converted into a bed, a dining table that can be extended, or a desk that doubles as a storage unit. These innovative designs allow your space to be more flexible, adaptable to various activities, and of course, stay neat. In today's fast-paced and dynamic world, a home that can change according to the needs of its occupants is essential. With multifunctional furniture, you not only save space, but also create a more efficient and practical environment. So, if you want to make your home more functional without sacrificing style, a multifunctional space is the perfect solution. Biophilic design elements. Biophilic design, which focuses on incorporating natural elements into interior spaces, is set to gain popularity in 2025. The concept aims to create a stronger connection with nature, even inside our homes. By adding indoor plants, natural light, and water elements, you can create a harmonious and calming environment. Indoor plants not only beautify a space, they also improve air quality and add a refreshing touch of green. Natural lighting, which harnesses sunlight, provides positive energy and makes the space feel fresher and more alive. Water elements, such as mini waterfalls or small ponds, can also bring peace and create a calming atmosphere. By integrating these biophilic elements, your home becomes not only a place of comfort, but also a space that supports well-being and relaxation. So, if you are looking to create a more balanced and refreshing atmosphere, biophilic design is the right choice for 2025. Artisanal and handcrafted decor. In 2025, more and more people will appreciate the beauty of artisanal and handcrafted items. These unique, handcrafted decorations not only add character to your home, but also add a personal touch that's priceless. Try looking for handmade clay pots, woven textiles, or custom furniture made by local artisans. Each piece has a story and uniqueness that can't be found in mass-produced products, giving your home a more authentic and meaningful feel. By choosing handmade items, you're not only adding beauty to your space, but you're also supporting local communities and sustainability. So, if you want your home to feel more personal and full of stories, artisanal and handcrafted decor is a perfect choice for 2025. Vintage and retro styles are making a comeback in 2025, but this time with a modern twist. Combining mid-century modern elements with contemporary decor creates a timeless look that adds depth and charm to any room. Pairing classic furniture, such as armchairs with clean lines, with modern accessories or colors, creates the perfect balance between nostalgia and innovation. This style not only creates a warm and characterful atmosphere, but also allows you to experiment with different design elements, creating a space that feels fresh yet still full of the beauty of the past. While neutrals continue to dominate interior design, bold patterns and textures are now used as standout accent elements. In 2025, mixing geometric prints, textured wallpapers, and statement rugs can add visual interest and break up the monotony of simple minimalist designs. Bold patterns like bold stripes or abstract shapes provide refreshing contrast, while rich textures like layered walls or a thick carpet add depth to a space. This combination creates an interesting dimension and brings new energy to a room, making it more lively and full of character. By adding bold textures and patterns, you can create a dynamic balance between simplicity and creativity. So if you're looking to breathe life into a minimalist space, accents with bold patterns and textures are a great way to achieve it. The trend of blurring the lines between indoor and outdoor spaces is gaining popularity and will continue to grow in 2025 by utilizing natural elements. Interior design is now bringing the fresh and natural feel of the outdoors into the home. Large windows, indoor gardens, and natural materials such as wood and stone help bring the beauty of nature into the living space, creating a seamless flow and closeness to nature. This design allows your home to feel more open and connected to its surroundings, giving a spacious and calming feel. Indoor spaces filled with greenery and natural light from outside create a cool and refreshing atmosphere, as if bringing fresh air directly into your home. If you want to create a harmonious and peaceful space, using nature as your design inspiration is the perfect way. By integrating outdoor elements into your interior, you can create a home that feels more natural, comfortable, and at one with its surroundings. Conclusion: the home decor trends for 2025 are all about creating spaces that are not only beautiful, but also functional and sustainable. By incorporating these trends into your home, you can enjoy a stylish, comfortable, and eco-friendly living environment. Stay ahead of the curve and transform your space with these inspiring ideas.
Thanks for watching. Have a nice day.